For years, the Nurture Nature Foundation has been at the forefront of protecting Ghana's coastal environment, leading cleanup exercises, raising awareness on plastic pollution, and empowering communities to care for our beaches. Their consistent efforts have restored stretches of coastline, safeguarded marine life, and inspired a culture of environmental responsibility. On this World Cleanup Day, their mission continued at Laboma Beach, where Nurture Nature Foundation, together with Let's Clean Ghana and Mayekoo, joined hundreds of volunteers to take action. This work reflects United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Cleaner coasts mean healthier oceans, safer water, and stronger communities. With every cleanup, Nurture Nature Foundation reminds us that change is possible when we come together. Let's keep Ghana clean, let's nurture nature, and let's protect our waters for generations to come.
Hard rocks. Hooray!